Greetings, my fellow wolves. It's your Alpha Wolf, here to lead you through the wild and thrilling forests of the cryptocurrency world. Let's dive into today's hunt and see what treasures we can unearth from the latest crypto news. The crypto kingdom has crossed a monumental milestone, over $100 billion in total funding since 2014. With 5,287 funding rounds, the crypto packs have raised an awe-inspiring $101.36 billion. November 2021 saw the highest peak, with $7.079 billion during the bull run. Although the funding river has slowed, it hasn't run dry. Peaks in March and May 2022 kept the flow steady with $3.6 billion and $3 billion respectively. Clearly, the hunt for investment in crypto territory remains fierce and fruitful. Next, let's hunt down the devious ARSC, a notorious MEV sandwich bot. In just 2 months, this bot has siphoned off $30 million from Solana users through tricky MEV attacks. Imagine a wolf sneaking into the flock, snatching the juiciest prey by manipulating transaction prices and reselling them for profit, all within a single block. On June 15th, Ben Coverston from MRGN Research blew the whistle on ARSC's exploits. Solana users, keep your eyes sharp and your defenses sharper. The prey doesn't have to fall for the predator's tricks. June brought a surprising twist in the crypto wilderness. The mining packs have outpaced Bitcoin in growth. Thanks to a landmark $3.5 billion agreement between Core Scientific and cloud provider CoreWeave, mining stocks surged. This pact is set to bring Core Scientific an annual bounty of around $290 million. Now, for the big catch, Core Scientific, ticker CORES, soared by a whopping 117%. On the flip side, Argo blockchain, ticker ARBK, stumbled, losing 7% of its value. Meanwhile, our old friend Bitcoin slipped by 3%. The real MVPs of June, those mining wolves are howling louder than ever. Last on today's journey, we have the sloth-themed Memecoin, Slerf, marking its territory on Solana. The creator, after accidentally burning $11 million worth of tokens, has announced the formation of a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, and a community board. This move aims to put the Slerf token and NFTs on a guided path of development. Despite this ambitious leap, Slerf's trading at a modest 28 cents, down by 8%. Even in the crypto forest, it seems not every plan goes off without a hitch. Stay vigilant, Slerf supporters. Your day in the sun might still come. That's all for today, wolves. Remember, in this ever-changing crypto wilderness, the pack that howls together thrives together. Until next time, join the pack by subscribing to our channel, keep howling at the moon, and let AlphaTon connect you and your fellow wolves.